But first, this video is for serious minded people. Are you into instrumentation and valve control engineering? If you are into instrumentation and valve control engineering, this video is for you. If you are into petroleum engineering, this video is for you. If you are working in a flow station, this video is for you. If you are in any sector that relate to gas and oil, this video is for you. Or you are a student about to go into this field as well, this video is for you. Or you are already a graduate working in the oil and gas section but does not understand the practical aspect of these valves of a thing, this video is for you. Now I will be showing you the practical way of losing or disassembling the Betis actuator. Let's go. So the first thing you do is for you to disconnect your tubing from the airport that is connected to. You understand? You must have to disconnect that tube because air is inside of it. It is the tube that transport air to the cylinder of the actuator of the Betis. Now we are losing the cylinder. Sorry that I could not show you the other side of the cylinder, but there are two ways, two sides of the cylinder, the long and the short side, which has already been loose, as you can see. So after that is loose, the next thing you go for is for you to bring out the springs, the tension spring from the long cylinder, which is the other side of the cylinder that is longer than the other one. You bring out the spring. Then the other thing you need to do is for you to take out the seal or the belt from the piston. This is the piston. This thing you are seeing is called piston, and the piston has a rod that is connected to it. To say the piston is connected to a rod or a stem. You understand? So as you can see, the seal is already removed from the piston. The next thing to do is to lose out the piston. You understand? To lose out the piston from the rod. Just watch how that is going to be done. You understand? Just watch how that is going to be done. This video, you must have patience. If you want to learn, you must have patience and give a listening ear to the end. You understand? So you can, as you can see, you have lost out the nuts that holds the piston to the rod. Now you can remove the piston from the rod. You understand? Or the stem. After which you have lost out the piston from the rod. The next thing is for you to come to the housing. This is the body housing of the actuator. Then which you lose the directional travel plate. This is directional travel plate that they are losing right now. After you have lost the directional travel plate from the body, which is the housing, then you lose out the top casing of the housing. The top casing of the housing. You understand? The top casing of the housing. Where that directional travel plate is loose from is called the shaft. The shaft is where you lose the directional travel plate from. That shaft holds the yoke. You understand? It's the one that holds the yoke of the Betis. And this housing carries every mechanism that has to do with the control or the movement of the Betis. Now we are removing the yoke pin. That is the yoke pin. Also with the bushing, so that you can pull out the rod. You understand? The rod from the body. Now the rod and the other side of the piston has been removed. So the next thing to do for you to dismantle this body, first you remove the bushing. This bushing is connected to the yoke pin as well. You can see the yoke pin, the bushing inside the yoke pin. That bushing is down the housing. You understand? It's down the housing, which also help to hook the yoke pin down for rotation. Now this is the cylinder adapter that is connected to the housing, that is connected to the body of the Betis, or the housing of the Betis. So it's been loose out. This cylinder adapter, you are seeing there are two sides of it. They have two sides of it that connect to the actuator body. So you have to lose the two sides as well. You understand? So the reason why we are losing this Betis, it has a fault. The fault is because it can't trap air again, and when air is not inside the Betis, it cannot travel to rotate anything like ball valve or any kind of other valve that the Betis is connected to. So what you have to do now is to change the seal of this Betis. You understand? So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.